avoid the busyness of Fillmore down by town. You might catch the virus out walking about. Fucking moron. There we go. Make us miss our light because you're a fucking moron with the mask on. Probably hypoxia. Why are you wearing a mask out? Like, this ain't like middle of the city where there's, you know, you might catch it. But, you know, they're saying you should even when you're outside. Oh my God. Yeah, maybe if you're in a crowded city like New York or Denver or something. But if you're just out in a normal area, rural area, this is still pretty rural. I mean, those two girls jogging, one lady on the right and that old man walking across. I mean, that's all there's been. Look at the sidewalks. They're pretty dang empty because that's typical America. People don't typically walk unless you live right in a city. Because things are too far to walk to. Nice blinker there. I don't want to get on the interstate. Hey, you better get that bread there. In a hurry. Red truck's hauling bread. It's like gunning it. In a hurry! Gotta make a delivery! I probably want the right lane, but come on, we can make it. Yay! Come on, let's get through. Somebody hasn't even caught up to make the turn. I don't think he made the light. Right lane eventually ends. You gotta be a moron to try to stay in there. Over there. See all these morons? Oh, right then. Low fuel. Come on, kick in. I think it kicked in. Took a minute. Okay, I hit reserve. 78.9. Yep, and now I'm in the wrong lane. That's fine. I wasn't trying to go around people. It's amazing how stupid these people are. There's arrows saying, hey, you gotta go left. And they're like, what do I need to do? It's funny, right then I was thinking about it and I lost the power. If I had extra fuel, I would probably try to go further. I'm trying to think how far home is. I don't think there's any no turn. This ain't the fastest bike though, so. Sorry, too much going on. I think I forgot to change my blinker over. I'm watching the mirror move, trying to be like, do I need to press the mirror again, or will I be good? I hate this lane because this lane ends, and I know it. A lot of these people might not even know it, but being on a bike, I should be able to just get over. But, I mean, legally, you can be over here. It's so stupid because you might lose the lane. I mean, yeah, like most people are not going to know that unless they're from here. And I've fallen, you know, oops on that many times myself. Woohoo! I don't know which lights I have. Fucking cameras now, so we'll stop here. Make sure he's good. Hate the fucking lights. There's a 125. No one's racing. I can't believe he was like, race? Like, you obviously don't know your bikes. I was like, what? Let's see, sport bike, 125, 150. He doesn't know it's a 150. Should know it's a 125 though, because, well, it says 125. The graphic says 125. An off-road bike against, like, yeah, okay, even the 500 would not take probably a 600. How you going? Oh my God. Usually don't have to stop and get gas. Aw. A little dribble fell out. You know, I've never filled up this. I've never filled this pump sucks for a motorcycle. It sucks. Look at this. Wow, this pump, yeah, blows. It's either on or off. Well, I guess I slightly filled it up. I had enough gas to get home. Is the end result. I probably could have gone 100 miles. Because I think it's a 1.9 gallon tank. 1.3. Yes. And so 87.9 miles I filled up, and it was 1.353 with a little spillage due to pump being retarded. So menu, reset, trip distance, okay, Go back. There we go. 0 now. Okay, guess this way. It was like the shittiest gas pump ever. Yeah. Like, it was either on or off. There was like no minute adjustments, which sucks for a motorcycle. I don't care what side. I mean, a big tank with a big mouth obviously would be a little easier. Come on, guy, go. Jesus. Go. Like, do they hate these people that like just really linger?